grade 8 students, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to explain you your chapter number 11, that is mensuration. In this chapter we are going to learn about perimeter and area of different surfaces and the volume of different types of figures or shapes, we can say, right? Now related formulas of this chapter is already been sent to you, so let us see few examples on it. The first example of ours is a square and rectangular field with the given measures have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? This is a square field and the side of it given to us is 60 meter. This is a rectangular field and length of it given to us is 80 meter, but we don't have breadth of this field. But we are told that perimeter of both these area fields is same. So from the perimeter of square we can find the breadth of this rectangle. Let us see how. First of all, what is the formula for perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 4 into L. Right, now what is L given over here? It is 60 meter. So that is equal to 4 into 60, that is 240 meter. So the perimeter of square we got as 240 meter. Now it is said that both the field have same perimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle will also be 240, right? Therefore, perimeter of rectangle, it will be also equal to 240 meter. Now what is the formula to find the rectangle, perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B will be equal to 240. Now L we have as 80 meter. So let us put up the value of L. It will be 2 into 80 plus B will be equal to 240. Now this 2, it is in multiplication. Let us change its side. It will go in division. So 80 plus B will be equal to 240 by 2, and that is 120. So 80 plus B we got as 120. Now let us change the side of 80. So we will get the value of B as 120 minus 80, which is equal to 40 meters. So we got the breadth of the rectangular field. Now we have to find who has larger area, whether square or rectangle. For that we need to find the area of both the fields, right? So area of square will be L square, and that is 60 into 60, which is 3600 meter square. Similarly, area of rectangle, it is L into B. So that is 40 into 80, which is 3200 meter square. Now 3600 is greater or 3200. Therefore 3600 meter square is greater than 3200 meter square. It means area of square is greater than area of rectangle. Therefore square has a larger area. This is how we will be using the formulas of perimeter and rectangle, perimeter and area of both square and rectangle. Hope you understood this sum. Now let us move on to perimeter of a circle or semicircle. Now what is the formula to find the perimeter of circle? It is 2 pi r, and if it is a semicircle then it will be only pi r, right? Now if you are counting as pi r, then only the circular portion will be counted. But we want to find the perimeter of this whole semicircular figure. So we have to include this line also. Now what is this line? It is the diameter, right? So if you want to find the perimeter of only this circular portion, we will be using the formula as pi r. But here we are going to add this diameter also, because we are including the whole figure, right? Therefore, perimeter of semicircular figure it will be equal to pi r plus d. We are going to include this diameter also, so that will be 22 by 7. What is our r? This is d. D is 2.8 centimeter. So r will be 1.4 centimeter, right? So here we are going to count r as 14 by 10 plus our diameter, which is 2.8 centimeter. Now we can cut this. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. 22 into 2, 44 by 10, it is 4.4 plus this 2.8. So that we got as 7.2 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure will be 7.2, not 4.4. If you count as 4.4, then you are not counting this line. So your answer will be wrong. I hope you got it. Right? The next part we will continue in the next video. Thank you.